Toshiba Portégé X30T E13H Review. Toshiba apes Microsoft's 2-in-1. The business ultrabook market is highly lucrative for laptop makers, so they like to keep these designs as fresh and innovative as possible. Toshiba has a wide selection of business-orientated hardware on offer, with its Portégé series being especially popular. Following up on the generally well-received Portégé X20WD, the X30T E13H takes the 2-in-1 concept to a new level, by allowing the machine to detach the keyboard entirely. That functionality makes the X30T E13H a true tablet, but achieving this trick didn't come without a few technical sacrifices. The review machine is available through numerous online outlets as the PT17CE01U00 Gen model number, and it retails at £1,899 plus VAT. This is an EU SKU, and therefore not available outside Europe. However, a fully customizable Portégé X30T EVTO is available in the US and set to the same spec. It costs roughly $2,874. Both these options come with the keyboard dock and multi-protocol digital ink pen as standard, but the travel keyboard is an extra £109 and VAT, $140. For those that are operating on a tighter budget, Toshiba makes the X30T E112 that has a Core i5 CPU, 8GB of RAM and a smaller 256GB drive for the more affordable price of £1,199 and VAT, $1,545. Design. As ultrabooks go, Toshiba has an enviable track record for making classy-looking hardware that works well and reliably. And the Portégé X30T doesn't break with that tradition. It is a 2-in-1 design where the screen portion of the laptop can undock from the keyboard to enable it to become a tablet, should the need arise. When detached, the tablet has a kickstand enabling it to remain upright without being supported, and it also senses the change and can morph Windows 10 into a touch-orientated tablet mode. The technology that connects the two parts is USB 3.0, and Toshiba also wisely chose this as the means by which the machine is also charged. That might seem a minor thing, but the number of laptop makers still using proprietary power connections is disturbing. And the designers went the extra mile with their USB implementation, because connecting the charger to either part will charge the other section, as they each has a battery. There are caveats to this choice that we'll discuss later on, but it does focus almost all the computing platform in the tablet, while leaving most of the connectivity in the keyboard dock. Oddly, some things